This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace side view mirror Subaru Outback, updated. Start by gathering a 10mm socket, trim tools, replacement mirror, and disconnect the battery. Remove the interior trim carefully to expose mounting bolts and have a soft cloth to protect paint. Keep screws organized and take photos of connectors before unplugging. Follow stepwise removal and reinstallation, test the mirror functions, and tighten bolts to manufacturer feel for a secure fit. To remove the old mirror, begin by lowering the window for easier access and prying the triangle trim panel off gently. Support the mirror assembly with one hand while you disconnect the electrical connector and remove the 3 10mm bolts. Keep each bolt labeled or in a small container to avoid mix-ups. Lift the mirror straight off to prevent scratching the door paint and set the old unit aside for comparison with the new assembly. When installing the new mirror, first compare it side by side with the old unit to confirm correct fit and connector type. Feed the wiring through the door hole, position the mirror, and hand start the 3 bolts to keep alignment. Tighten bolts evenly, reconnect the electrical plug, and reconnect the battery. Test power adjustment, heating, and turn signal functions before snapping the trim back. Make small adjustments as needed to ensure perfect alignment and operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.